Hi guys. So we are going to walk through our hybrid schedule and our specials information. So on advisory for 7th grade, I posted these two documents. We're going to walk through the first one, which is the hybrid schedules. If you click on that, I've color coordinated the schedule. So there's A, B, and C. A is yellow, B is green, C is blue. So A, you are in person on Monday, Tuesday. You are remote Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. B, you are remote Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and in person Thursday, Friday. C, you are fully remote all days. Just messed up the format. Okay. So I've created a schedule for each group. So there's A, B, and C. There's times, classes, and directions of what you're doing during that time. So for example, here's A. You would be in person on Monday, Tuesday. So you're arriving into your home base where you're getting the materials for the day from 7:30 to 8. At 8 o'clock, advisory starts. We have an activity in class. Then we have a bathroom break and transition. Then we have IE block, where you might be asked to Zoom into a small group with a teacher, or you're completing IXL during that time, or a journal prompt. Then we have another bathroom break. Then we have block 1 from 9:20 to 10. Then we have a snack from 10 to 10:10. Then we have second block, 10:10 to 10:50, another break. Third block, 11 to 11:40, another break. 11:50 to 12:30 is our fourth block. And then we have dismissal, where you're dismissed from your classroom. Then once you get home from 1:20 to 2:20, your teachers will be available to Zoom with you if you have any questions. And you'll have independent work time from 2:30 to 3. So on your in-person days for hybrid, you do not have specials. On Wednesday, you have specials from 8 to 8:40. Then you'll have independent work time. Your teachers will be available on Zoom if you need them, but you do not have required Zoom classes on Wednesdays. Then we have a lunch bunch Zoom from 12:30 to 1, where we'll meet with the whole 7th grade so you can hang out with your peers and say hi to them. And then you'll have specials at the end of the day at 2:30. So then on Thursday, Friday, on your remote days, you would have specials from 8 to 8:30. So notice how on your fully remote days, you do not have advisory, okay? Then you have IE block, and then on your fully remote days, you are required to Zoom into your first block teacher Zoom. So for example, if you're in my first block, you go to my Google Classroom or the virtual classroom and you jump on my Zoom link. You want to make sure that you're early, since you guys have 10 minutes before class. Maybe jump on at 5 minutes till 9:20, just to make sure that you're there on time. And then you do that for every class. And then at the end of the day, you'll have your second special. B day is the exact same thing, except for it's flipped. So instead of having in-person days on Monday, Tuesday, you have your in-person days on Thursday, Friday. And then your fully remote, the fully remote group. So you guys, for specials, have been assigned either an A day or a B day. So I put your names down below. If you were assigned an A day, you will pretend to be an A day student. So that means you would be in person on A day. And so you would have specials on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you're assigned B day, you will have specials on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you guys have a little bit different. So you'll have specials either like 3 days out of the week, and the other 2 days that you don't have specials, you can Zoom into your home-based teacher's advisory. You guys are Zooming in for every class. So you're Zooming in for block 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then while you're on Zoom, it's really hard to hear you guys, or we have the chat turned off because it's hard to monitor. So you can't really ask a lot of questions or contribute. So we have a set time from 1:20 to 2:20 where you meet with each of your block teachers. And this is required for remote only students. So only these 12 students right here are required to meet with us during this time. And this is our time to focus one-on-one on what you need. So for example, if I am a fully remote student and my block 1 is Miss Moore, I join Miss Moore's Zoom from 1:20 to 1:35. If my block 2 is Mr. Hart, I join his Zoom from 1:35 to 1:50. If block 3 is Mr. E, I join Mr. E's Zoom from 1:50 to 2:05. And then at the very end of the day, depending on if you have your specials or independent work time. So say if you're a remote student in your A day, you're pretending to be an A-day student, so you're following their schedule, and they have specials on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you would have your second special on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I hope that makes sense. It's really complicated, and I understand that. So it's just going to take a little grace and practice, and we will all get through it. And so your specials for this semester are either band, musical theater, creative expression, or PE. So you should have been invited to Zoom classes in Google Classrooms, given the Zoom links by your specials teachers. And if you have a question about what time to show up or which special do you have when, then email those teachers. So those teachers are Jennifer Anderson, and Kayla Rotatori, and Wes Rose. So we also have the specials information. There was a mistake, which is kind of where all the confusion came about the students' names in these groups. So those are going to be fixed. So kind of ignore those for a minute. There are Zoom links on the sheet. There's expectations. They explain that that they're going to teach via. Well, they basically explain the same thing that I explained, is that you have specials when you're remote. You don't have specials when you're in person, if that makes sense. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would recommend printing this off and having it to hold so that you can walk yourself through each day as you go. Email me if you have any questions.